In this video, I'll show how you can process a spool file in InterformNG2. First, I'll show you how to load a sample spool file, how we can create a design and include an image on that design. I'll show you how to create a workflow to process input spool files and where we merge the input spool file with our template. Then I'll show you how we can use conditions in the workflow depending on spool file attributes. I'll show you how to print the result and how to hold the input spool file. So first we want to load a sample spool file. Go into Library, Documents, Upload Spool File, type in the output queue in the library, click Show Spool Files, select the spool file we want to load. Here we can give it a name. Now we can move on to the designer. We can load the input spool file. In the design, we want to iterate across all of the pages in the input spool file. So we add a repeat loop for all pages in the spool file. We put the page into the repeat. So we have one output page per page in the spool file. Inside the page, we want to add a text that contains the text of the current page. Expression, you might want to have another font. Select here from the current page here with auto. And click OK. Now we want perhaps also to add an image. We want to insert the image on the top right corner. So I'll just drag it up and resize it a bit. And click Save. Call it Demo, our template. And now we can move on to the workflow. Create a new workflow. We want to monitor an output queue. The queue is called input, and the library is QUSYS in this case. Click Create. And now we can add functions in this workflow. We want to verify if the form type of the input spool file is demo. So we can use a choice. Here check an attribute of the spool file. Here we have various spool file attributes. The form type is here. So if this is equal to demo, we can copy it down to the description. Now we want our spool file to be merged with our design and print the result. So we select Print, the printer name that we want to print on, the design that we just made. Click Apply. And now we also want to hold the input spool file. Hold, apply, and save. If we now release the input spool file, InterformNG2 will react to the released spool file, merge it into print, and then hold the spool file.